Hey traders, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you an instantly powerful strategy that can actually bring you some serious profit. Just look at this chart. These winning trades all comes from this exact strategy. Stick around because by the end of this video you will know exactly how to use it, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, and let's dive into it. Alright, here is our strategy, and trust me, it has an amazing win rate. If you practice it and really learn how to use it, you can easily hit up to 80% win rate or higher. The best part, this strategy only requires one indicator, that is the RSI indicator. Just add it to your chart. So now if you want the exact RSI settings that I use to achieve this high win rate, I have uploaded them into a post on my Telegram channel. Go and check it out in the channel. And I also share crypto and forex signals complete with entry points, stop losses, and take profit targets with a very strong win rate and risk reward ratio. The link is in the comment section and the description below. Don't forget to grab the RSI settings and apply them to your chart. So for our first buy trade, the trend needs to be bullish. As you can see here, price broke the last lower high, confirming an uptrend. Now all you need to do is look at the RSI indicator and connect the lower highs with the trend line that you can see I'm doing. Once the trend line breaks, you can enter a buy trade, place your stop loss just below the previous low, and set your target at 1:2 risk reward ratio. And you can see, boom, hit target. So for a sell trade, it's just opposite. The trend needs to be bearish. As you can see here, price broke the last higher low, confirming a downtrend. Now on the RSI indicator, look for higher lows and connect them with a trend line. Once the trend line breaks, you can enter a sell trade, place your stop loss just below the previous high, and set your target at 1:2 risk reward ratio. Simple and effective. You can see hit target. You saw it yourself. This strategy is super powerful. Now go and grab the exact settings from my Telegram channel, apply them to your chart, and test it out. Once you do, you will see just how effective this strategy really is. But remember, always backtest before trading in the live market so you fully understand how it works. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.